The 2D is Jamie Vernouse out of Enola. And rounding out the field, another Ends Brothers truck. The 12, Jeff Rempel out of Oak Bluff. Here we go. Rick Rolley in the Oakwood Roofing Castro, number 19 with early lead. But here comes the Empire Oasis 2D. That is Jamie Vernouse out of Enola. He's won some championships in the Super Truck division and showing you right now why as he leads in the Chevrolet. Jeff Rempel on a Oak Bluff takes over the second spot from Rick Rolley, who drops to third in the Oakwood Roofing Castro, number 19. Fourth, Doug Hersley out of Elma, Manitoba. The 12 goes Jeff Rempel. Jeff Menz has just won the number one of won most of the races here in the Super Truck division in 2017, and you just don't see that Super Truck number 12 loop on its own like that. Oasis 2D with a big lead now. Rick Rolley out of Winnipeg. So it's Vernouse, then it's Rolley. And now the number 4 in the third, that is Jesse Peterson, as he passes the Dynasty Bathroom Studio. Manitoba. It's for sale. But right now it is all Jamie Vernouse, the Vernouse Auto Body, Oasis, Enzymes TV. The AIE Communications Board. Well, the sun shining on the 2D. Jamie Vernouse just 2 to go with the straightaway lead on the number 19. Spun out earlier, that's Jeff Rempel, went to the back of the pack, and now has worked his way back up to third, and will be shortly likely challenging for second. White flag is up for the leader, but look at this crowd track. Jeff Rempel on the inside, your leader coming out of turn number 4. In turn 3, the winner is Jamie Vernouse. Second spot is going to go to Jeff Rempel after driving to second.